Well, the Montreal Canadiens have their work cut out for them tonight as they get set to host the hottest team in the NHL right now, the Colorado Avalanche, who will be playing their second of a back-to-back.
Brendan Gallagher off to a great start. He's managed to annoy both Landeskog and Rantanen to start this game.
And Bernier will scoop that one up with a glove and hold on. Schlemko turns back as Carl Soderberg was there. Now he heads to the Colorado bench for a change. And Jonathan Drouin will wheel his way through center with the shot, and Bernier kicks it out. Lehkonen will chase it back down, but it's cleared away by Mark Barberio. Now Nathan MacKinnon jumps up on it. MacKinnon turns back of the boards, throws it towards the net, and went off Gabriel Landeskog on the way to the goal and wide. Wins the draw, picks it up, feeds the point for Petrie, over to Drouin. Jonathan Drouin back to Petrie for Galchenyuk with a shot. Bernier the save. Gallagher's got it, feeds it back for Drouin. Hands it off. Jonathan Drouin with a hot shot that missed on the short side. Nieto races after it, and he'll take off with it short-handed. And now gains the Canadian zone, waits for help. Here comes Soderberg with it. Carl Soderberg shoots, and Price got a piece of that with a glove. For Rantanen, down low for Landeskog, jumped off his stick. Alzner will chase after it, lifts it up on the wing. Plekanec's trying to help it out, got jammed up against the dashboard, couldn't. Here's Rantanen with the shot that missed. Landeskog side of the goal, holds on to it. David Schlemko up through center, off the stick of Jost. Lehkonen up with it, drops it off for Plekanec. He fires, stopped by Bernier. Bouncing puck, Plekanec back on it with a backhand that got through traffic. Now Lehkonen tangled up behind the net with Nemeth. Hands it off to Laurier, going after it. Comes up for Comfer. Knocked off his stick by Ben. Laurier to Galchenyuk. Coming in with a shot off the shoulder of Bernier. Didn't know where the rebound went for a moment. Here's Barberio. Hit by Pacioretty. Udall goes to the net, and it's blocked by the shoulder. Bernier in front. Off the stick of Udall. Ben fires, and that hits a leg on its way to the goal.
You can see he makes a great play going hard to the net on the short side, gets another bang in front. Now he's down and out, and he just peeks up, and he can see the windup coming from Jordan Ben right here. In a lot of respects, Gabriel Landeskog and Nathan MacKinnon, but he's so effective. He's a real big, strong guy. Plays a pretty simple game.
Here's Lehkonen coming in. Backhand shot. Blockered away by Bernier, and then Lehkonen goes crashing into the net, and he looks to be all right. Jeff Petrie slapped it back in the net. Cut off by Patrick Nemeth. At the point, Pacioretty keeps it in. Trying to get a shot, but had his stick checked.
Yeah, Gabriel Landeskog is the ancient one on that power play at 24.
Here's Byron now. Short-handed down the wing. Byron trying to go to the net, and he's taken down by Yakupov. Slides into Bernier, knocking the net off. And meanwhile, Pacioretty wanted to call for having his stick knocked away back in the neutral zone. And Petrie throws it up the middle and will clear it out at center. Drouin jumps up on it. Hands it off for Galchenyuk. Now back for Drouin. Jonathan Drouin trying to find room. Got a shot. Blocked. Rebound. Scores! Drouin and Delorier in front. Both got a stick on it, and I think it's Delorier that finished the job.
Well, what a quick stick by Jonathan Drouin at the blue line.
Feeds it back to Schlemko. Handing it off. Drouin drops it. Schlemko waits. He'll feed it across for Drouin. In front. Byron shoots. Bernier to stop. Puck knocked down. Zadorov trying to clear it. Can't get it out. Here's Byron in front. Tied up. Galchenyuk scores! Alex Galchenyuk rips it under the barn in. Power play goal. Here's Herbeck for Ben. Fires it in. Byron catches up to it first, and he knocks it wide of the goal. That was a set play by Ben. Now Girard with it. Girard in front. Shows back for Rantanen. Had to take it on his backhand. Girard with a shot. Makes it through. Traffic in front, but it comes free from Petrie. He'll get it off the glass and down the ice. 4 assists in that stretch, but he's added 2 to the ledger tonight.
And very prominent, too, in terms of time of puck on stick.
Here's Plekanec with a high shot, stopped by Bernier.
And, you know, I was a big Sports Illustrated reader as a kid, but no, I was not around in 1956 to read that issue.
Here's Gallagher with another nifty move, gets it to the net, and it's covered up by Bernier as Gallagher showing off some good skill work here tonight. In the corner, got it away from Barberio. Schlemko hands it off. Victor Mete back for Schlemko with a shot. Off the leg, going to the net. Byron with a chance. He'll hold on to it. Takes it around the goal gets up over the net. In the slot, Pacioretty trying to move it, but here comes Colorado shorthanded. Blake Como with Carl Soderberg going to the net. Como's shot stopped by Price. He had Petrie back into him, and now the Canadians get the puck back. At the line, Schlemko will keep it in. Here's Hudon with the puck. Played up in the middle and broken up. Nieto now trying to take off shorthanded. Matt Nieto down the wing to the net. Stopped by Price. And Mete has got it, and he'll turn on the Jets the other way. Up for Hudon. Hudon drops. Lehkonen in for Mete to the net. And that's off a stick, and Bernier makes a stop. Barberio now will send it around to Johnson. Flipping it in the air and gets it back to the Canadian zone. Hudon hands it off for Byron. Over to Pacioretty. Drops it. Hudon with a drive, and it's stopped by Bernier. Sends it over to Pacioretty. Now Drouin turning back with it. Jonathan Drouin to Pacioretty for Hudon. Back to Pacioretty to the net, and he got hooked, and a penalty coming up. Takes it to the corner, sliding it to the line for Schlemko. Handing it off to Byron in front. Lehkonen trying to get the shot, got tangled up. Schlemko holds it in. He'll fire. Stopped by Bernier. The redirect. Big save there. Jeff Petrie turns back in his own end with it. Petrie skates it up at center. Crosses in over the line. Petrie in front. Scores! Jonathan Drouin! Keep your stick on the ice. Good things can happen. Jonathan Drouin tips it home, and it's 3-0 Montreal. Drops it off. Johnson coming in with a shot, and it's blocked by Olsner. Now Landeskog feeds it out for Johnson. Up high, McKinnon with it. McKinnon shoots, scores! Nathan McKinnon with a seeing eye shot that Price never saw. It's into the back of the net, and the Avalanche are on the board. Drops it off for Kerfoot in front. McKinnon with a chance, side of the net. Up in the air, knocked down. Kerfoot on the boards. Gallagher, great play to get out along the boards. Gallagher for the empty net, scores! Zadorov overskates it. Logan Shaw on the puck, throws it in front, but it's taken away, and Yakupov will carry it back out at center. Yakupov over to Comfort, comes in with a shot. That got blocked, rebound, scores! Yerbeck blocked the shot, and Comfort got it back and fired it in the top of the net, and he'll make it a 4-2 game with 11.7 seconds left. Now the Canadians get it back, and the 10-game winning streak for the Colorado Avalanche will come to an end here in Montreal as the Canadians win it 4-2.
And once again, I think Carey Price is a little disappointed with that last one potentially, but he played an excellent game. The team played an excellent game. Jonathan Drouin doing what he has to do for this team to be successful. I thought the most important thing was that they met every push by Colorado was met, whether it was a penalty kill, a power play, a great shift. They met every single one.